going on, people? Welcome back. Welcome back, everyone. Welcome back to the live stream. A new day of opportunities. There's my phone. New day to make that bank. Let's see what we get today. Good morning, everyone. What's up, guys? Where are we? Here. Are you gonna set up the cardboard? Good question. It's just sitting there. I haven't been back skating in a while. It's a great question, though. I think it's just gonna chill there for a while. I'll be honest. All right, give me 2 secs, guys. I'll just grab a drink and we'll get started here. 2 seconds. Asia with the big move on gold. Asia with the very, very big move on gold. Grabbing a drink, keeping the party going on the retreat. Absolutely. Instagrams don't have audio? They should. Seems to have audio when I watch it, if anyone else can check.
Waste time. 5-minute close is bearish.
Seems to work for me, man. Good morning, Zoom guys. Welcome back. Good morning, everyone. Yeah, got audio. Yeah, cool. Nice. Nice. Morning, everyone. Half lit 4 set last week to myself. Nice. Quiz. Nice. They have audio for me, yeah, cool. Yeah, Goldie with the big run up in Asia today. Hey, Brian. Big run up in Asia today on Goldie. Kind of came out of nowhere, to be honest. Gold on the dailies is very, very strange right now, but we'll run over it as well. I think we could get some continuation buys today, though. We'll break it all fully down in a second, but I think we get some continuation buys, you know, at least up into there, which would be like 60 ticks, pretty nice. I'm trying to, you know, I'm still, these highs are still my liquidity levels the upside this week on gold, but with NFP, you know, you could easily come all the way back down to these lows again. Let me just have a quick look at the news. I don't think there's anything today. Oh, there is. 3 o'clock news again, wow. So we have PMI today on gold. US dollar PMI. Hey, our vote. What's going on? Yeah, PMI will be interesting. And we're starting to get closer to that. NFP as well. But nothing too crazy that London shouldn't still have some good volume. Got a $1,800 profit off gold today. If you're biased, yeah, nice, awesome, good work. What time is it? 57. All right, we'll wait 2 more minutes and we'll start breaking it down here on Goldie. I had some alerts go off on silver. Silver retesting some major levels. Not one that I've really traded before, but you know, silver breaking out of this 4-year range. Pretty interesting. You know, it had this huge left shoulder region, massive head, huge right shoulder. Now you've massively broken out on oil. Silver. Sometimes you gotta walk away. Yeah, sometimes you do, man. Nothing wrong with that either. But yeah, I haven't bought any silver yet. It'd be more of a big long-term play, I think. But if we can see this monthly, you know, start to flip bullish over the next couple of weeks, could have some very, very big plays. Yeah, this is a strong level actually. Very strong.
They can't see your chart.
Oh yeah, they can now, man. Thank you.
Oh, okay.
Thank you, man. Is everyone in? Yep, I think everyone's here. Let's do it. Let's do it.
Recording in progress.
Let me we'll scratch all of this off for a second. I'll leave these liquidity regions on gold. Still got this downside and these upside targets here, but having a look at the daily here on gold. Now, yesterday I was bullish on gold. Yesterday I was looking for longs on gold. Let me just get rid of this little level here. After, you know, on Monday, we grabbed the lows, closed back bullish above this resistance, looking for this to flip bullish and continue pushing up. And then yesterday kind of did find some resistance and then closed back down, but still respecting this massive, massive daily level of support. Like, this level is huge. We failed to break it so many times, and now we're seeing this push back higher again today. So the daily, you know, daily overall is in, you know, one big massive range. I still personally, like I say, love gold. You guys been hearing me talking about this for a while now. I love gold to come all the way back up into here. Whether that comes in before NFP, we'll have to see. Could take all the way to it. Could mess around for the next 2 days. What day is it today? Wednesday. Is it Wednesday today? Yeah, Wednesday today. You could mess around for the next 2 days. And then on Friday, you know, we could start to see that push up, back up into these regions. So daily, there's no real direction right now, which is fine. You know, it's still, although the daily's ranging, this is still a, you know, 400 plus tick range. I'll still absolutely trade a 400 plus tick range. You kind of see gold here, 4 hourly today, rejected this massive support and had this decent retracement higher. That's why this daily level down here, you got to be careful because it's absolutely huge. Every time we're tapping into it, we're having these big reactions. Tap into it again, big reaction. And now we're kind of coming up into this level again here. Look at this area on gold. This is a very, very, very big area. It is one big area. Look at this. All the way back here. Very, very strong area here on gold. But I think we may spike it a little bit more. May spike it a little bit higher. This 4 hour came down, grabbed the lows, which created that bottom wick on the daily, and closed back above all of this area as well. See here? It closed back above all of this. So now our range for the day our range for the day is kind of going to be like in here. It's going to be our very, very large range. And we're pretty much looking for gold to have a little bit of a dip back down. And then for London, I'm looking for us to come back higher. Bless you. Thank you. Take a look at the hourly here on gold. Already having a decent reaction off that level. That hourly just closed no bottom wick. Yeah, wow. Look at that. Hourly just closed bearish with no bottom wick, which means you may push higher. Have a look at the 30 here on gold. What did you just do? You just left 2 equal highs. So if we can see this start to break back above a level, you got longs. You got longs back up into that area, and at least, you know, to come back up into here would be pretty nice. We want to see it pull back a little bit first. I took some sells in Asia. First Asian trade I've taken in a while. With the daily closing bearish yesterday, we had an instant top wick. I had some sells around here and got out most of it there. Tried to hold a runner, but my runner got stopped at break even. And he ended up having an amazing move. So I probably got the shittiest of moves of the day. But yeah, that was my play. 30-minute double bottom. Which one are you looking at, man? Took the same trade there. Yeah, nice. Awesome, man. Good work. Yeah, it was a nice play. Because, you know, we were overall bearish on the daily, so selling it made sense. You know, I was trying to hold it to see if we could come down and rinse these lows. But you grab this daily bottom wick, grab the lows, and then rebroke back higher. I wasn't on the charts for the longs, but yeah, it was nice. Taking longs today. Just once you grab the lows, close back bullish pretty much. Here, you kind of grab the lows. Could have just taken some of these buys. Back up into like this area. 70-ish. That's where longs would have been beautiful. Same again here. Grab the lows, rebroke the highs. 5:30 London time, there was some amazing continuation buys again for like 36 ticks. But I think that was probably the cleanest. Once you wicked all these lows and held all the way back above this support. If that was an instant bottom wick, that one would have been nice. Or that one. Grab the lows, break back above the level, continue pushing higher. Hey mate, just joined. Hey man, what's going on? But yeah, I'd like gold to spike up a little bit more, but retracing first is nice. This move came in at like 2:30 London time, so it's a pretty decent Asian move. I didn't expect to come back on the charts. I came back on the charts maybe like an hour ago and saw it had already ripped. I was like, holy shit, I did not expect that today. Expect the unexpected when you have NFP, that's for sure. Got a lot of equal 15 highs here. As soon as we start finding some support, could have some longs. Let me just let me go 5 top step X. So yeah, there's a lot of highs here, a lot of highs. Even on the 15, you haven't even grabbed anything. But again, that's why the reason I was so surprised to see this big run up today is because you also have so many lows down here to come and grab. So I think we could be messing around right before NFP. The NFP could go crazy today. Sorry, Friday. Unemployment claims tomorrow, which won't really do too much, but NFP is going to be the big mover. So as soon as we start to find some support today, be looking for some longs. You're going to have a pretty big level back down here. Looks pretty nice. Resistance support. Big level here. Big level. Look at that. Huge. So this is going to be our overall range that we'll be looking for today, which is 80. If we close back below, you can look for some sells as well, but we'll wait for it to actually break out before doing that. This is a pretty decent push down here within the first 7 minutes. You know, if we want to see this hourly flip bullish, we want to see this bottom weight being created first. So this is good. This is what we want to see. Oh, screen fuck. Sorry. Yeah. This hourly. Let me bring this closer. This hourly support here. Especially with that previous 4 hour closing aggressively bullish. Unless these wicks the highs and this 4 hour closes bearish, that's 3 hours away. And I still love gold to come all the way back up here this week. Gold top step is to do $200 on 5 accounts, 5k a week. Yep. Yeah, that's good. I would go for less than that personally. It's quite a lot. But yeah, it's very possible. I remember you're not going to get trades every single day as well, and you're going to have losing trades. You got to factor them in as well. But to do that on average, yeah, it's good. Very good. So if the hourly closes bearish with no bottom wick, it usually means that there's no downside. There's no. I mean, I'm trying to find an example of where it's happened and what's happened afterwards. I'm trying to find a bearish candle with no bottom wick, or a bullish candle with no top wick. Where's the last time we had one? It's very rare. When was the last time we had one? I can't see one. Which kind of means there's no real, like, you know, there's no downside range. There's no buyers stepping in. Where are we? I literally can't even find one here. That was the last time you had a bearish hourly close with no bottom wick. You then grabbed the lows and completely reversed. That's typically what you can expect. The next hourly to either close doji or to just completely reverse. You had a little one there, you had a little bottom wick there, but you did still push up. But when it closes literally there as well, you can have a little one, but it closes no real bottom wick, grab the lows and just pushed higher. There's another one. There, still kind of pushed down. There is a chance, there's a chance the next hourly can just kind of go a bit doji. This is a decent. Where are you reacting off? You're reacting off here. Here. That's a nicer level, actually. That's a nicer 4-hour level. Big push. It's going to take a sell. Yeah, sell. I'm not too bothered about missing this move. Previous 4-hour closed aggressively bullish. I wouldn't be trading against that personally. Try and trade against that 9 times out of 10, it would just push up. A solid push down there. What is this? How much is this pushing down already? 50 ticks, look at that. Just gotta wait for this 15 close, really. It's heavily bearish. Well, it's not, like, I mean, it is now, but overall it's not. Yeah, it has, yeah, I don't trust any of it. Daily's so with it, honestly, anything can happen at this point. Like the current, like the daily actually, it makes no sense on gold. Look how horrible it is. That's why I get in such crazy moves, because there's just no direction. $15's gonna close a mob in it. Yeah, London sell-off streak continues. Yeah, absolutely it does. Once it's already dropped 70 ticks. Fucking hell. Uh, 15 closing bearish. Instantly grabbing the lows as well. So this is a huge push down. If this just keeps pushing, there's not really a lot we can do. It's ripping up, ripping straight back down. I expect this pretty much all week, to be honest. If you had a top wick, you know, you could look for the sells, but you got an instant bottom wick in. Yeah, nice trend line. Yeah, I like that. It's a nice trend line. So be profit taken from Asia buys? Maybe. Honestly, no. No idea, to be honest. No idea. Other than just continuing the range, really. Just big resistance. Massive resistance, massive support. I don't got any idea what the hell I was doing. It's just no entry for it. That's the annoying thing. I don't really care about why it happens. I just want an entry, but there just isn't any. The more it pushes down, the more likely you're just going to spend the next 2 hours, 2-3 hours just going sideways. So it's annoying to jump on and see this pushing down so much out of nowhere. Hey man, how's it going? first withdrawal, 4K. Nice, man. Very nice. Good job, Nathan. Fucking hell, God. If it just keeps pushing out, I probably won't trade London today, I'll be honest. There's nothing you can do here. You can't try and chase the shorts because where are you going to put your stops? Nowhere. Well, you can't chase the buys because it's already ripping down. Let's see how this 30 closes. This is a huge push, literally out of nowhere. Didn't even grab any highs. Didn't give any entry whatsoever here. This will probably be the London move. You've already ripped 150 ticks up. You've now just pushed down 120 back down. After such a big move like that, you're probably going to do that for the next 3 hours. You're probably going to do that. $15 top. Yeah. And you got you literally got you had no top wick on this 15 either. 15 open, just ripping down. Yeah, Owly was nice, yeah, but Owly still closed bearish and no bottom wick after an aggressively strong 4-hour close as well. So if you want sells, just wait for this 4-hour to fake out in 2 hours and then top wick and then sell it. It's just, yeah, 100%, man. Just gamble, yeah. There's no edge whatsoever. Not against that 4-hour that literally wicked the lows, ripped bullish. Unless you just took a punt at itself from there, maybe. But right now, when you get 4-hour closure back below here, you can go short. Down into here. But that's 2.5 hours away. And I'm not going to be watching this for 2.5 hours. In your other previous stream, you said your strategy worked best in ranging markets. ... Yeah, what's your point? If you think a 300 pip move already is ranging markets, not really too sure what you're on about. I'm not even too sure what your point is. My point is, I'm not going to sell gold down here. If you want to sell gold, you sell gold up here. My point is, if it ripped down this much already, there's no way you're going to try and sell that. Grab some lows. Yeah, definitely, yeah. Yeah, I mean, all you want is, you know, just even a top wick on that previous 15. 15 closed bearish, open, just push down. There's literally nothing you can do there. If you had a top wick, you know, amazing, then you can look for the sells. Like catching a full knife here. Yeah, 100%, man. Yeah, I ain't trying to catch it here. No way. You can't sell it because it's already pushed down too much. You can't buy it because it's too bearish. You need to create some space now. Grab some lows and then amazing, keep buying. Or close below here and then keep selling. But that's London recently. We had like one London trade in the past 2 weeks. Every other trade has just been so much easier in every other session but London. Asia today, sells, easy. Gold buys yesterday in New York, easy. Same as that day before, easy. Yeah, 100%. It has to react. Yeah. That's what I think of it. Yeah, I always think of it like a slingshot. You know, it's got to pull back before it can then boom again. Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, it's easy to jump in and try and catch it, but yeah, you try and sell it now. You may quickly scalp 10 ticks, but in the long run, it's not smart because like, where's your stop gonna go? Up there.
Get those Asia cells.
Yeah, I took Asia cells, man. Yeah, I took the cells from around here down into this bottom wick and these lows.
Okay.
And then you broke above and then boomed.
Side pressing last night.
Yeah. You had a big push. Sit on hands, yeah, that's the key. Sit on hands is the key. And if you had some top wicks in this 50, you know, you could be selling it, but you know, when it opens like that and just drops, yeah, it's not my job to try and catch that. Like the Asia sales today were very simple. Yesterday was bearish. We had no bottom wick on the daily. Closed below a level, instant top wick. Literally just take that candle, that flip there. You got 23 ticks. So simple. Like this, I don't care about. Unless you just took a sell off that resistance and just sold it until it closed above. You know, on the hourly, you could have had it. That came in at what, 6 a.m. 6 a.m. London time, and you had a strong 4-hour, big 4-hour close. Nah, not on the 15, not for me, not after that 4-hour. It's easy to look at it now and think that. But if you're looking for sells after the 4 hours just closed aggressively bullish, you do that 9 times out of 10, it won't work. 4 hour close bullish above this level, ripped. 4 hour close bullish above the level, ripped. There's no reason to short against that. Zero. Only way you can sell is if you get 4 hour fake out. 4 hour fake out, the amazing goes short, but to trade against the markets, nah, it doesn't make sense. Doesn't make any sense to me. In your Asia sells, it left a 30-minute double top. Not for me, it didn't. You grab previous highs, closed bearish. It was just a pullback trade. In a trade of 50k from the top step account. Nice, man. Nice. Good job, man. You can say Asia left the double top, well, it also left the double bottom, which is why I was shorting, trading into the double bottom. I'll worry about these highs once you close above. But if you worry about what's above you, you won't react to the fact that you just grabbed some highs and closed back below a level. Worry about what's up here. If you get back above that, amazing, then you go long. But you got a perfect double bottom. I'm not going to miss out on trading into that with the 30. Let's just grab some highs, close back bearish. I'm not going to miss out on this pullback. I worry about what's to the left if you start closing back above like that. Boom. Amazing. Close back above. There you go. There's your next trade. Mine was just a pullback into the daily bottom wick with the way that yesterday closed aggressively bearish. Today opened, instantly pushed up with no bottom wick on the daily. That's literally just short wick into the daily bottom wick. And then the nicer trade actually was the longs, but I didn't take the longs. I didn't buy after yesterday's close, just like I won't sell after previous 4 hour. Personal capital. I have a link somewhere. I use. Where is it? Where are we?
I'll use your link as well today.
Nice, man. Good man. Yeah. Look at this rejection.
Any secret rules with that 20% bonus with Blue Dirt?
Nah, nothing, man. It just eventually, if you're going to use them long term, it just eventually, you trade a certain size and eventually converts to cash. But if you're going to use them long term, it doesn't actually take too long. I can't remember exactly how long it is, but it's not too long.
So I used to use them long term anyway, so it should be sweet.
Yeah, 100%, man. How'd that 30 just close? Strong bearish. Strong rejection as well, though. Very strong rejection. How's that 5 looking? 5 closed back above this level. Let's see. But you went off to 15 left double top. I already told you why I took the trade like 3 times. It also played out and I also made over $1,000 today, so clearly it worked. It was a pullback trade before doing something else. May look to re-grab these lows. Where's that trend line coming up? We've got trend line like, where is it? Here? Anyone buying here on gold could be trying to put their stops there. So you may get some more sells here. Although the 30-minute has rejected, you'd expect it's probably going to grab the lows one more time. Yeah, but you went with the retail trade. Yeah, you're boring me now. I've just told you like 10 times. There you go. Just told you so many fucking times why I took the trade. And you're still asking stupid questions. I'm trying to take some damn trades and answer your stupid questions.
Put him in a sin bin.
He's straight in the sin bin. You can go and time out and think about what you've done. 336.1. 336.1. And you know, yesterday did actually close. I mean, although it's so hard to trust what the daily's doing at the minute, the daily did actually close bearish below below like here, which is still a pretty strong level that we are rejecting. So if this daily can flip bearish, you know, we have a lot of downside to come all the way back down here as well. So sells do overall make sense. If we leave liquidity highs, like I said, it could take all the way into NFP. Have a look, man. Have a look. Yeah, definitely made sense on that time frame. Yeah, hourly definitely made sense. Just the 4 hourly didn't. Like just how the 4 hour grabbed the lows closed bullish. Last time you closed bullish above this level, you rip. Here, close bullish above you, you have a big push. But yeah, the hourly definitely was nice. It would have been worth the trade, to be honest. If it doesn't work, you know, you got a pretty decent, a very wide stop, but more of a swing trade. Well, not a swing trade, more of a day trade. That's to be fair, it's less than 40 ticks. Actually, still pretty good. Heat map, not very well, to be honest, man. I didn't get any value from using it. I'll be honest. I tried it for a while. It honestly didn't give any value. It was just kind of something else to look at that just didn't actually do anything practical. Where could we push into now? You may push up into kind of where you're at, to be honest. I want to see if this 5 minute can break down, see if we can start looking for some sells to continue pushing lower. How big is this range? This is 22 ticks. Nice 5 minute close there. Just grab the highs closed slightly doji. What time is it? 35 minutes. Still 5 minutes into this 30. What would your stop be? Stop would be less than 10 ticks. A very tight range. Yeah, too tight of a range just yet. Do you use the DOM? Nah, not really, man. Not really. I've looked at it before, but nah, not really, to be honest. I don't find anything that really helps, to be honest. I just like pure price action, man. I know people who do trade it though, but yeah, I just like pure price action. Where is it? We get it up here. I used to look at it. Let's go. Gold. And you can like change the settings so you can only see like, I don't know if you can do it here, but like minimum order amounts, but oh, I don't know if you can do it on here. You used to be able to do it on TradingView. You could on TradingView, so you could set it so you could only see like, you know, minimum of like 10 plus contracts, for example. I think it'd be more useful for like very quick scalping. You know, very quick in and out moves, which I ain't trade like the 5 minute, you know. So you just re-grab 5 minute lows there, re-breaking the highs. How's this 15 looking? 15 hourly. Do you have to set indicators on top step X to show? I don't think you can. Oh, unfortunately, man. I know you can when you do it on actual trading view. But on top step X, I don't know if you can. I don't think you can. Unfortunately, man. Not unless anyone else knows, but no, I don't think you can. It would be good if you could. Unless you like kind of
Change
put
for
them
your
away.
orders.
Yeah, like your trade history. Platform. This is the Top Step X platform, man. Oh, you can. Oh, you can. So settings chart. Oh, really? Oh, nice. Those settings. Oh, look at that. Yeah, you can. Nice. Nice on Peter. Yeah, you can.
I've got the charts and data yet.
Yep. And then,
Executions.
yeah, chart executions. Yeah, nice. Yeah. Yep. Let me show it, man. Yep. I'll show it on this one. Yeah. Yeah, good spot. Nice one, Pete. I didn't actually know you could do that. News dummy yesterday took a buy based on news being negative for the dollar, but got a quick spike, then reversed. Yeah, getting a lot of crazy moves this week, man. I'm not trading any funded accounts this week personally with NFP, and the fact that the daily's just kind of weird overall. But yeah, I did see that. It was nice on the 4-hour to continue pushing lower. Once you grab the highs, and then rebroke these lows, that was a good indication you were going to push down. Speaking of US dollar, I think we spoke about this on Monday. Monday we spoke about US dollar was going to get weaker and break this trend line. And I think you're going to roll over again. You may come and re-grab some highs, so intraday US dollar strength, but I think overall to continue pushing down, yeah, is nice. But the news didn't actually really do that much. I was expecting to wake up this morning and see gold had a big push, or dollar had a big push, but it didn't really do anything. I honestly think we're waiting on NFP. Buy soon. I think more sells. Do you just grab them 15 highs? No, not yet. Yeah, potential buys if you close back above here. You got buyers back up into this area. Yeah, if we get back above here, I'll look for some longs. 30 is pretty bearish though. If we start breaking below this low here, looking like 30 is going to push down, I would prefer to sell that. Into the lows, you got 32, and you do have all the way down here as well. Yeah, sales down to double one would be would be much nicer. I agree. On a losing streak, just take a break from the charts, man. To be honest, most losing streaks come from something that you're doing, not necessarily something from the charts. So just take a break off, take a few days off the charts, detach, and then come back with a fresh mindset and journal as well. Most people say they have losing streaks, but they don't even journal, so they don't even know what they're doing wrong. They just keep taking random trades.
For blueberry markets, MT4 or MT5?
5, man. 5's way better. I use 5 now. I used to use 4, but now I use 5, and yeah, 5's way better, man. Yeah, it's good. Much cleaner.
MT4 for one of my funders. That's a fucking nightmare.
Yeah, 5's way better. It's so much nicer. That's why it took me so long to make the move. How's the Omega? Do you have any plans to compete? Nah, probably not competing, to be honest, man, but it's going good. I'm enjoying it. I'm doing about 4 sessions a week. It's good, man. I'm just watching the 5 minute over here, see if the 5 minute shows anything. Nothing just yet. Nothing yet. Some crazy moves today. If NFP doesn't do that much, you know, sorry, if we don't do much leading up to NFP, or if before NFP we get down here, I'm expecting gold to have a decent, a very, very decent push up. Here, if we get, if before NFP, you know, over the next couple of days we can get back down here. You got liquidity here, here, and here. What do you use to journal? Notion. Yeah, Notion's very nice. Yeah, if you can get a good Notion template, yeah, Notion's very good. Top step still 29. No, that ended last Friday. Ended last Friday, man. I think it's back to 40. How much weight do you put on rejecting the 5 minute view up? Not too much, to be honest. Not too much. I just like to see if it's trading above or below. Like, it's got to be stacked up with something else, though. I like to look at it though. I like having it on. Nice. Yeah, nice one, Ross. Any reason to analyze them for it chart instead of futures? Yeah, reason I analyze off the FX chart here, but execute on the futures is because the FX chart grabs highs and lows more than the futures chart does. So on the 5 minute, the futures chart can leave like a perfect double top or a perfect double bottom. And if you're waiting for it to get grabbed, it won't, because the FX chart has already grabbed it. And them little grabs are very key to us. Very, very key. So if we miss them getting grabbed on FX, then we'll miss the actual overall trade. So BTC, yeah. I don't know if there's been an example today. Let me see. I don't think there has been. Oh, a little server. Yeah, nice. I know people who do that as well. Yeah, made their own little Discord server. It's a good idea. It's a good idea, man. Speaking of BTC, where are we back at? Back at 70s again? Oh, smashing 70s. Look at that. When I sent the chart in Discord for Bitcoin longs, we were all the way down here. A very, very decent return. I closed mine at 70, but that's a very, very nice push. You take that one lot, it's a huge trade. Huge trade. 15 didn't close. Oh yeah, 15 just closed. 15 just closed bullish, instant bottom wick. If you grab some 5 lows, what would you be risking? Yeah, 15 did actually break out. 15's closed back above this little level here with an instant bottom wick. So unless you close back below, you'll go lower, but cross that bridge when you get to it. You may flip bullish and come and fill this range. So I'm going to watch this on the 5 minute for some longs here. If we start getting back above here, I'm going to look for some longs. Because that's actually a pretty nice 15 close. Unless the 15 closes back bearish, then we'll see how the hourly's looking. And 30. Because 30 looks like it can push down. 15's broke below, broke straight back above. hourly is still at massive hourly support as well. So kind of every time frame is kind of saying something different at the minute. Yeah, 15 has no top wick, which is nice. You could kind of buy into that. At least to come up and grab these highs here. So if the 5 starts grabbing some lows, you could at least buy into a 15 top wick. Which would be break-even point like 14. Ideally play off like 30. Got the London Open in about 12 minutes as well. Wait, it's 5. Alright guys, give me 2 seconds. Back in 2 minutes. Five closing back bearish.
in Thailand at the moment, Brian. Just been here for a couple of weeks to visa run, head back to Bali in about a week and a half or so.
Gold is so messy. So messy in here. Here's 15. Just crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Yep. Yeah, no worry, Alan. See you next time, man. We're gonna miss something, to be honest. Moving iffy? Yeah, 100%. Very. Wait and see what the Audi says. Yeah, me too. Me too. Makes sense, I think. It doesn't make so much sense trying to take it before that. When adding a position in futures, do they get placed at the price you add your position or at the first trade placed? I can't understand for some reason in Forex. I can see all trades placed on the screen. Oh, you mean if you add like multiple? So if you take a, like for an example, if you took a sell here, then another sell here, it would give you an average price of like here. It averages out your entry. It would just show you like your average position. You'll still have the same, you know, trade here and trade here, but it will show you as an actual average. But if you change the settings, you can do it so you can see your executions. But yeah, it will average it out for you. Like if you took a sell here and then another sell here, you'll probably be in from like somewhere like there. There's that 15, looking at that 15. 315 equal lows there. Little 5-minute morning star. Yeah, 15 is flipping, but you got so many equal lows. You got 1, 2, 3, 15-minute equal lows. We got 3 minutes to this Audi's going to close as well. We may as well just wait for that. See how this Audi's going to close, and then we'll get the London Open here as well. This Audi close is going to be really key. Audi close and the how the Audi opens will be very, very key. That makes sense, yeah. Yeah, because on FX, you know, you just see your same trades. But yeah, with futures, it will give you like an average. Then you can kind of move your stop loss. Like if you want to move it into profit, it will do it on the average as well. It's quite nice, to be honest. I quite like how it does that. Gold looks like it'll push up. 23.84. No, it's probably future chart. Start doing micro and shut to the fees. Yeah, they can add up, man. Yeah, they can definitely add up. What is it, about 10, like, when was it? So I did mine here. So, yeah, 10 micro is $10. Yeah. Any chance you can do a quick back testing before you hop off? No. I've got way better things to be doing than doing a back testing session. Sorry, man. Unfortunately not. Send love from South African bro. Thank you, man. Started following you recently. Thanks for laying the blueprint. Thank you, man. I appreciate you tuning in. Audi's just closed here. 15 ended up grabbing the highs, closing bearish. You got a lot of equal 15-minute lows here. Let me just drop down to the 5. Support, resistance. Nothing is clear here. Literally from one tiny little range to the other. What is this range? This is a 16 tick range. Nah, really not, Ross. Not worth anything. Yeah, good shout, Ross. Good shout, man. You weren't missing anything. Target in a similar area, 23.84. Overall this week, wait, 23.84, is that on the future chart or currency? I mean, overall this week, yeah, I'm looking for gold to come up into like these highs, but I don't see any reason for that to come in before NFP, to be honest. But yeah, this week overall, I am looking for these longs, but wouldn't surprise me if you come down, grab some blows first, and then you see it later on when you get that news. But yeah, to me, gold could easily still come all the way back up into here. I just don't have any reason to think it would come in before Friday's news. If we grab 30 highs, I would look for the sells actually, because you've got a lot of equal lows here. Are you about to grab them? Yeah, you are. You're about to grab them 30 highs. Ranging first session. Yeah, it wouldn't surprise me too much. I'm just seeing how we react once we grab these 30 highs for shorts. If we just grab these highs and just continue to range, I'll probably be done as well. Did you just grab it? Let me see. It's 30. Almost. Oh, you did. You did. Ever so slightly, you did. Uh, 84 in the future shot. Yeah, pretty easily. I think you'll get that easy, yeah. They're pretty much same as what I'm targeting, which is on this chart. Yeah, these highs here and yeah, this area, which I think is the same thing. Yeah, I'm looking for gold to come way back up into here this week. There's too many people looking for shorts on gold. You may get a little pull down, but overall I think you'll pull back up much more. And if you do get into here, who knows? You could easily tap into 2400 again. That's the main play I'm wanting this week. Be back tomorrow night. Thank you for your help. Yeah, no worries, man. On a business trip in Phuket, but always got time for check out the charts. Yeah, good man. I'd enjoy Phuket, to be honest. Charts will be doing nothing until NFP, I don't think. 5 is so good. Yeah, 5's horrible, man. What's that doing back testing? Just like when you replay the chart and then like, you know, do like some back testing of your trades on like previous data, but simulation sessions are in the community, not I'm just gonna sit and do a simulation session at 5 o'clock in the evening. They're good to do on you guys who are trading on your own. Like close the charts now. Go do a simulation session. I say that so many times, but not many people actually do it. Close the charts. Go to a simulation session for 2 hours. You get more value than watching gold go sideways. But no one can ever be asked to do it. But it's very valuable. Very, very valuable. I'll do some more on Discord soon as well. Did you grab the 30 highs or not? I can't tell. Ever so slightly, I think. Yeah, just about grab the previous 30 highs there. Very, very minor, but you actually did. Been the best thing I've done all year. Yeah, 100%. Yeah, it's good to hear, man. Yeah, they're very, very valuable, man. I used to always do them when I was starting out. Like every single weekend, I'd always be doing it. Yeah, placing trades in a simulation session. Yeah. Just replay it's like a certain date and just play it as if you were like trading live. Yeah, good shout, Brian. See you tomorrow, man. Three, two, one. If we get instant, no. If we get instant top wick, I might take some sales, but nope. What would this look like? I'm not going to take it because it's just not worth it. What would this look like? 14 ticks stop. Previous 30 lows is done here. That's 11 ticks. This range is shocking. Oh, wait for this 15. If this 15 doesn't break out, yeah, I'm not watching this London session anymore. It's really not worth it. But let's see. See if we can get a 15-minute breakout here. What would that look like? After that for New York, yeah, good shout. Thanks as always. Yeah, no problem. Glad you enjoyed it. Hopefully New York's a bit easier than this. A bit less painful. Trying to break out there on Goldie. Are you in? Nah, I'm not in. Just drawing it up. If it wasn't so rangy, I would have taken it, but it's just way too rangy. Just drawing it up. I'm not in anything. $15 will be closing in 2 minutes though. See if it can actually break out here. 30 still got some decent lows to grab as well. So next 15 could give us a top wick where we could sell into that. Because there's such little volume, be careful with not as good fills as well. Test it out first. I'm not sure what it's like. Trading micros more now. Not worried about the extra price. Nah, it's like it's not much. Like say if you trade like 10, it's only like it's like 1 tick pretty much. So just on a challenge. I only really trade this on stream. I don't trade top step off on like personal or anything like that anymore. 5 minute about to close back above. Might wait until later. Yeah, see how this 15's closed. If this 5 minute doesn't close below, I will be doing the same. I'm not trading this. Let's see, 40 seconds. But I like trading the micros. Then you can take the partials and stuff. And the fees don't like it. It's like $10. So if you get like a 10 tick move, it's like 1 tick. It's nothing. Still, you know, still way better than trying to scalp the FX side. Let's see, 1 second. Nah, 5 inch goes doji. All right, guys, that's it. That's me done for London. We're doing absolutely nothing. I'm not going to sit here and watch it anymore. This is going to be my range. I'm not going to take any single trade out of that. And to be honest, I'm probably going to wait for this 4 hour to close. I don't really see too much until this 4 hour closes. If we close back below here, then you got fake out sells, which would be very nice. Because once you do close below that, sells down into here is like 150 ticks, which is amazing. I'm not interested in this range right now. If you start closing above, maybe... Well, we'll update before I'm going to move that much there. If you close above here on gold, then amazing. We got decent buys. So sells below here, buys above there. Anything in between, I do not personally care about. So you guys on Zoom, we'll leave it there. Nothing's happening. Close the charts. Go do something else. And we'll come back once this 4 hour closes in about 2 hours. But don't force anything. Just honestly, guys, close the laptop. It won't end well. And then I told you guys on Zoom, closer to the New York session. Enjoy, guys. I'll talk to you soon. See you guys. All right, YouTube fam, that's me done. London is doing absolutely nothing, and I'm not really interested in watching it go sideways. So they're going to be my levels. Break above, go long. Break below, go short. Keep it very, very simple. Patience will pay. And I'll see you same time again tomorrow, and I'll post a video later on today of the trade that we took on stream on Monday as well. So stay tuned for that, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Trade safe, be smart. See you next time. Peace.